Welcome back to House of Hoon. On today's episode, Cameron cuts and shuts the bejesus out of the 6G sump to make it fit into our dado. And he swings a hammer or two. Yep.
Bullshit. So now for the moment of truth. Let's see if the dipstick works. Or am I making another dipstick mount? Which would totally suck. Get in the hole! There we go. Ooh, it works! Oh, and how good's my new sump plug? I believe that's an oil pressure switch off a barra. Now sump plug. So here we have the finished sump and pickup. So the pickup was made out of 2 different pickups and is joined in 4 separate places. I've added this little mount off the girdle, because it's actually, there's a fair bit of weight in it. So that's all finished. And then the sump. I've gone for a double hump design just to try and get a little bit more oil capacity. I don't know if it's going to do anything, but this is why we try these things. So hopefully that little extra bit of capacity will go up over into the back under acceleration. So for future reference, don't build a sump this way. This is absolutely stupid. Just make it out of fabricated sheet. Job done. Now for the sump leak test. And we have a leak. It's coming up from here somewhere. I'd probably say that somewhere around there. Oh yeah. One there. I reckon I can see where that's coming from. Probably in that corner over there. So to check where the leaks are coming from, bit of compressed air, bit of water, and I'm going to blow it up in here on this one. One leak. Makes it an easy spot. Fingers crossed, legs crossed, balls crossed at this point. Well, that is the sump in, and the engine is in clearly. That was a shit of a job. So that was 3 days solid of just cutting and trialing, and yeah, this is why you don't do weird engine conversions, guys. Pro tip. So, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if there's something I could have done better. I'd love to pick up some pointers on how to weld. So, let's see you guys in the next one, hopefully, if you don't hate my dad jokes. It's baffling that Bronson hasn't fired me yet. I feel like fucking Charlie Chaplin. I feel like a mute. You know, one of them fucking mimes going at the fucking... at SeaWorld going behind people. Don't show this one. Not clean, but it'll do. No Instagram for me. Now for the moment of truth. Am I doing another dipstick mount? Hang on, stop. Oh, what are you doing in there? Well, that's the sump done.